Two-factor authentication, not working on NABTrade Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on NABTrade, it can be frustrating, especially when you need quick access to your trading account. But here's the good news: most of the time, this issue is caused by something minor, like a timing mismatch or outdated app, and can be fixed in minutes. Start by checking your phone's time settings. Two-factor authentication depends on synchronized timing between your device and NABTrade's servers. If your phone's clock is off by even a few seconds, your code won't match. Open your phone settings, enable set time automatically, and restart your device. If you're using an authenticator app, open it, find time correction for codes, and tap sync now. Next, ensure your apps are up to date. Outdated versions of either NABTrade or your authenticator app can cause invalid code errors. Visit your app store, install any pending updates, and try again. If you're relying on SIM's verification but not receiving your code, toggle airplane mode or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Network delays are common and often the reason messages don't arrive right away. If you've changed phones, deleted your authenticator app, or can't access it anymore, you need to reset your FA. On the NABTrade login page, click Can't Access FA and follow the recovery process. After confirming your identity, you'll be able to set up a new authentication method on your current device. And here's a tip most people overlook: always store your backup recovery code securely. Hire your emergency key if you ever lose your device or app access. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on NABTrade, don't panic. Sync your time, update your apps, and check your connection. In just a few simple steps, you restore access to your trading account and be ready to invest with confidence again.